Hello, Internet, and happy fall. We are back for a new semester at Adelphi. Adelphi started classes last week, and I am going to be starting up my streams starting tomorrow. We got a new semester, which means I got a new clacky keyboard for all you ASMR folks. Whoops. Oh well. I got new classes to teach. Intro to computer science orientation. I got cybersecurity concepts, and I got digital forensics. That's returning from last year. Super excited to get back into that. I've got old glasses because I lost my new glasses at a Left to Suffer concert. Shout out to Left to Suffer on their new album. They are awesome. And I have still getting new subscribers. I don't know why. I think that's awesome that people are still finding my videos. Maybe you got to be a little less bored. Find something better to do if you're actually finding my videos. My goodness, these things have like no views. How do you even find these things? Whatever. I'm not going to pretend to understand that or how YouTube works. So, why does this channel exist? I'm not going to be a YouTuber or a professional or anything like that. I mostly just have this channel to keep myself honest. As you can see, I have lots of plans that I make for myself, half of which I actually keep. So here's like video evidence of my failure, basically. That's what this is all about, to remind myself to keep going and to keep documenting. But more importantly, it's really to share great conversations with my students. I often have conversations where I learn a lot, where other students learn a lot, and that stuff kind of just gets lost after the conversation's over. So this might be a good place where I can keep those conversations going. What are my plans for this semester? Well, virtual office hours are coming back starting tomorrow, every Thursday at 8:30 p.m. That's open to everybody, not just people at Adelphi. You're welcome to ask questions about security, programming, or just make fun of my hacking skills or programming skills or whatever. That's totally cool too. I really only had 2 or 3 people from my last semester class show up to that, but you know what? That was 2 or 3 more than I expected. So I'm going to keep doing these as long as they help one person. That's cool with me. I'm having fun doing this. Little bit of a milestone for me. I'm celebrating 5 years of cybersecurity at Adelphi as their analyst. I started in 2019 at the end of September, so that's coming up soon. I'll share a little bit of what I learned maybe once I collect my thoughts on that. I know there's a ton of videos out there already, and I don't think I'm going to add much to the conversation, but, you know, maybe my perspective will be a little, maybe it'll be helpful to some people. I've been meaning to force myself to learn a new programming language and really learn it, not just learn the basics. I've kind of been lazy with that. Like, I learned, like, the basic of JavaScript, and I don't write any code for it, don't practice it. Learn the basics of Lua, don't practice it. So we're going to work on practicing that when students don't show up. So I know there's code wars out there, there's other coding sites, there's good old-fashioned textbooks like K&RC. We'll take a look at that, maybe. I really need to get back in these mem labs that I found a couple years ago. I'll share that link in the description. They're a really cool way to get started on memory forensics, but they're also all written in Volatility 2, so maybe it's time to try out Volatility 3 and see how that works with it. On the question marks, as you guys know, as a lot of people probably found this channel from my autopsy video, which I'm sorry that you had to install that from source. That's a pain in the ass. And I know installing from source gives Linux users the heebie-jeebies because it could break packages and whatnot. So I don't know the logistics of how things are packaged for Debian, but maybe I should learn. So I'm going to look into how you can actually make a depackage for autopsy. I imagine if it was that easy, it'd be out already, but, you know, who knows? Maybe I'll find something where other people didn't. There's the CISSP. I'm not sure how I feel about certs, I'm not sure how fun or boring that would be, but in my studies, if I come across anything interesting, maybe I'll share that. And of course, I want to make my website more annoying. Head to my website if you want to find out more about that. With that, I am signing off. I hope to see some people at my virtual office hours tomorrow. If not, then keep the conversation going in the comments, and I'll see you when I see you.